My mucus theory and the Mucusless Diet Healing System stand unshaken. It has proven the most successful compensation action, so-called cure, against every kind of disease. By its systematic application, thousands of declared incurable patients could be saved. The mucusless diet consists of all kinds of raw and cooked fruits, starchless vegetables, and cooked or raw, mostly green leaf vegetables. The Mucusless Diet Healing System is a combination of individually advised long or short fasts with progressively changing menus of non-mucus-forming foods. This diet alone can heal every case of disease without fasting, although such a cure requires longer time. To learn how to apply the system, to understand how and why it works, it is necessary to free your mind from medical errors, partly taken over by naturopathy. In other words, I must teach you a new physiology, free from medical errors, a new method of diagnosis, a correction of the fundamental errors of metabolism, high-protein foods, blood circulation, blood composition, and last but not least, you must be taught what vitality really is. To medical science, the human body is still a mystery, especially in disease condition. Every new disease discovered by the doctors is a new mystery for them. There are no words to properly express how far from the truth they actually are. Naturopathy uses the word vitality continually, yet neither medical scientists nor naturopaths can tell what vitality is. Not only is it necessary to eradicate all of these errors from your brain, but the truth must be shown you in such a new and simple light that you can grasp it at once. This great advantage of simplicity and clarity is one of the fundamental reasons for my success, with all my teachings covering the truth. Incidentally, whatever simple reason cannot grasp is humbug, however scientific it may sound. You will learn how wrong and ignorant it is to believe that any special disease can be healed by eating the right food, living upon special menus, or undergoing long fast, if such is done without experience and without system and special advice for each individual case. Fasting has been known for hundreds of years as a compensation against every disease, as nature's only and infallible law, and the same applies to the mucusless diet, as stated in Genesis, fruits and herbs, i.e. green leaves. But why has it never come into general use and resultant universal success? Because it was never used systematically in accordance with the condition of the patient. The average man has not the slightest idea what the necessary eliminative process is, what time it requires, how and how often his diet must be changed, what it means to cleanse the body of the terrible quantities of waste he has accumulated in his body during his life. Disease is an effort of the body to eliminate waste, mucus, and toxemias, and this system assists nature in the most perfect and natural way. Not the disease, but the body is to be healed. It must be cleansed, freed from waste and foreign matter, from mucus and toxemias accumulated since childhood. You cannot buy health in a bottle. You cannot heal your body, that is, cleanse your system in a few days. You must make compensation for the wrong you have done your body all during your life. My system is not a cure or a remedy. It is a regeneration, a thorough house cleaning, the acquisition of such clean and perfect health as you never knew before. Remember, your constitutional encumbrances throughout the entire system are the source of every disease. The greatest and most harmful source of lowered vitality, imperfect health, lack of strength, and endurance in any and all imperfect conditions